Hello, you're watching the Star News Update. I'm Alycia Lim. Prime Minister Datuk Seri Najib Tun Razak says Singapore is keen on the construction of a third bridge to link Malaysia and the island state.
I think the concept of having the third bridge on the eastern side is something which we will pursue, and Singapore is quite keen on having the third bridge. If we have the third bridge, we can develop the whole eastern side up to Mersing and northwards, Desaru, for example. The Singaporeans did say that Desaru, we have a potential of creating Desaru as another Nusa Jaya, like Bali.
He also says that the progress of the Iskandar development region is on track, with Singapore's Minister Mentor Lee Kuan Yew indicating continued interest. He said this in the opening address at the 2010 budget consultation meeting at the Finance Ministry in Putrajaya Thursday. The Public Accounts Committee will call the Malaysian Anti-Corruption Commission to its meeting next Wednesday to find out the status of the Port Klang Free Zone investigations. Its chairman, Datuk Seri Azmi Khalid, says the PAC would also give its feedback on the PKFZ to the MACC after calling Port Klang Authority officials and PricewaterhouseCoopers auditors to explain the committee at its two-day meeting. He says although the PAC has no power to investigate, it will work together with MACC on the matter. The World Health Organization may raise the pandemic alert for influenza A H1N1 to level 6 as the numbers of confirmed cases continue to rise. Health Minister Datuk Seri Liao Tiong Lai said the WHO was calling for an emergency meeting to decide if the alert level should be raised. He said the ministry would have to take drastic measures, including more stringent screening of incoming visitors. Malaysia registered 2 more cases of the disease, bringing a total to 11. In the past 24 hours, the global count rose by 2,238 cases and 2 deaths. Deputy Home Minister Julaing Anak Mersat says driving dangerously or endangering other people's lives is a crime, but Mat Rempit should not be generalised because not all of them are criminals.
Namun sekiranya penunggang motosikal maupun pemandu kereta menggunakan kenderaan tersebut untuk melakukan jenayah, sama ada meragut, samun dan sebagainya, maka individu berkenaan adalah penjenayah dan tidak boleh sama sekali diistilahkan sebagai mat rempit.
He says they should be known as Samsing Jalan or road thugs instead. Julaing says to curb illegal racing from going on, both punitive and preventive measures must be taken. He said they conducted 1,465 joint operations from May 1st to June 8 with various government agencies, and a total of 113 people were detained and 33 of them had been charged in court. For more updates, log on to thestaronline.tv. I'm Alycia Lim. Thanks for watching.